The Intersection Prediction Report provides valuable insights into the best performing intersection points for your game. By analyzing this report, you can identify which line intersections have historically produced the most accurate predictions. These points can serve as a reliable guide for making future predictions. Drawing date is the date of the target drawing. From is the date of the first point where the line starts. To is the date of the second point where the line crosses. When you connect the from and to dates on the chart, a line will appear that intersects at or near the target drawing date. Delta is the difference between the predicted drawing and the actual drawing result. Accuracy shows the percentage of how close the prediction was to the actual result. Prediction is the forecasted prediction generated at the intersection point. Let's take a look at a few examples from the Intersection Prediction Report. For the 1st of April drawing, the report shows a line formed by connecting the 19th of March to the 25th of March. It also highlights another prediction, this time by connecting the 6th of March to the 28th of March. Let's see these results in Lotto Chart. First, we'll switch over to line mode. Next, select the points for March 19th and March 25th. You'll see a line that intersects right near the drawing on April 1st. Next, try connecting the 6th of March to the 28th of March. This line intersects close to the 31st of March, giving us another solid prediction. The demonstrations we just showed were successful predictions from previous drawings. To make your own future predictions, simply study the report and decide which 2 points you want to connect, then use the Add Intersection Point tool to create your future prediction. Keep in mind, intersection predictions can often deviate from the actual results. That's why it's helpful to use the Draw Range tool. It lets you adjust for these shifts, or deltas in the predictions. The real power of this report lies in spotting which intersection points have produced accurate predictions in the past and using those same patterns to forecast future draws. You'll often find that certain games repeat these intersection patterns across multiple drawings. So take your time with the Intersection Prediction Report, study the patterns, test them, and find the ones that work best for your game.